Today we're looking at a quick review of the solar panel power bank with wireless charging ability. You can see here's the wireless charger, pretty well labeled, and then you've got solar panels, 1, 2, 3 of them, which will charge the device outside. Just note that it does take quite a while to charge. The panels are small and you need very, very bright sunlight in order for it to get a decent charge. The power bank is quite small, it's not that big. You can see in relation to a pen, and if you fold it up, then you see exactly how it's a bit thick, so it's not really going to go into your pocket. It's got a torch at the front, which is great for load shedding, and it's got an output port at the back. That's the power button. These are the lights which show you how much charge it has, and it has a USB Type-C port on the side. It also shows you exactly how much power each port does. In terms of ports, the best part about this power bank is it has built-in cables. So you've got for your Apple devices or iPhone, you've got the lightning cable. You've got your USB-C cable. And then this one, which looks a bit strange, but is just a basic USB 2 cable, which is basically for charging the actual power bank via power, which obviously is faster than charging it via solar. But the solar is great because if you're in the middle of nowhere, this is the only option of charging the device and keeping your gadgets or smartphone charged. So when switching it on, the lights light up and you can see how much charge it has. Obviously they go darker as the charge drops to 10% or less, and when it's charging outside you'll see the lights go higher and higher on and off to show that it's charging. In order to switch on the light, you basically push the power button where you hold it in and the torch turns on. It's got basically 3 modes, which is plain on, then it's got a bit of a duller mode, and then a flashing mode, and obviously a very fast flickering mode. So it actually has 4 different modes. This power bank is 20,000 mAh, which basically means it'll charge today's smartphone with about 5,000 mAh, round about 3 times fully, maybe 4 times. Obviously it does depend on the size of your battery inside your smartphone or gadget. This power bank is also able to run a portable monitor, which are like the ones that we sell. You just plug it in and it will run that. And obviously it'll also power a USB keyboard or any other type of USB device. One important thing to note about this charger is if you're charging it outside via the solar panels and it's a very, very hot sunny day, the device can go into standby mode where it sort of might overheat, but it doesn't because the device turns itself off. In order to turn it back on, usually you need to plug the device into a power outlet or another gadget via the charging cable, and then it'll basically switch itself back on. Many users have had an issue where they plug this directly into their phone, it doesn't charge, and all it needs is a little electrical kick and it will come on. If the anti-overheat switch has turned itself on, so that little step will turn it off. So the power bank is on special at the moment on the BuySafe website and on Take-A-Lot. We're selling it with with a laptop bag. The laptop bag can take a 15.4 inch laptop. This is basically what that laptop bag looks like. Unfortunately, I don't have the physical item with me at the moment, as it's in our warehouse. So the bag fits a 15.4 inch laptop, and it'll also fit things like drones, smartphones, tablets, all those kind of things that people love to carry around. As an extra add, the product comes with one of these emergency backup lipstick size power banks. Obviously these are only like 2,500 mAh, which is good for just emergency backup power, enough to give you maybe a call or two if you're stuck on the road and your phone has no charge. So it's a great little device to maybe keep charged and keep in your bag or in your car, or maybe when there's load shedding and your power bank has no more power and you just need a little bit of more juice. So all in all, the power bank is awesome. I'm currently using one myself. So for now, order on our website or on Takealot. Price is currently 1349. Pricing will not last forever. It's only while stock lasts. Buy one today.